Hola, high fashion doll lovers. My name is Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be reacting, reviewing, and restyling my little vintage ensemble, Véronique Perrin. Now, before I bring out the box, let me just say, for those that have been patiently waiting, this has truly been out of my control. Now, before you all get up in arms, it was not Integrity Toys' fault. It was my local post office, okay? Things were out of whack, and I'm not really sure why, but I'm gonna take that as maybe I needed a break, maybe I needed a pause. It is what it is, but we are here today, and I felt the need to be transparent and be like, I've been waiting just like you've been waiting, so I feel you, okay? That's what I wanted to say. So, Miss Véronique is still in her shipper box, and I am very, very, very excited for this video because for some apparent reason, when this Moments collection was introduced, that didn't do anything. Miss Véronique here was like the least favored doll out of the collection, which I thought was interesting, but I tend to usually I tend to go for the dolls that least favorite. That seems to be a thing for me. And I think it's because taking off the tissue paper is one of my favorite parts. As I was saying, I think I tend to like the least favored dolls usually because I could see past the promo shots, is what I would say. I think a lot of people base their ordering on the pictures, and I do as well, because obviously that's all that we have to go by most of the time. But I usually like to think of them outside of how they're presented to me. You know, I like to break down the outfit, I like to break down the look, I like to break it down. So, that is how Véronique ended up here. Now, we see the, what I will call new standard fashion royalty box from Integrity Toys. This box is their environmentally friendly box, I would call it, with this kind of banner detail. Is that what you want to call that? I think we're going to call it that. Let me go ahead and remove that part there. Right underneath we have this logo right here saying Genuine Integrity Toys. And then this box is what we'll call the shoe box. It lifts from the top as so. Now, I've mentioned this in my previous videos with these new kind of like environmentally friendly boxes. I don't mind them, but that's because I don't keep my dolls in their box. So, did you get a, did you peek? Did no? Okay. I hope you didn't, because we're doing this together, okay? I feel like that was supposed to be like a breathe in, but it sounded more like a slurp in. Anyways, moving on. I'm ready because it's taking me so long to get here. Oh! Hey, girl. Oh. Oh. Okay, here she is. Please know that I do not have a viewfinder, so I'm hoping that you can see that. But it's okay if you won't, or if you can't, because we're going to look at her again. Wow. She's stunning. And while we are here, I want to say that the main reason I went for her is because this variation of Véronique is giving me Crazy Rich Asians, okay? And it's a book that I love. I have over here somewhere, literally looking at it. There's this opulence, there's this glam, there's this orient, like it just, I don't want to use the word, but it was about to come out. We're going out. She's stunning. I love her, okay? Absolutely love her. Okay. While I collect my thoughts, okay, I'm going to go ahead and unbox her. We're going to take a look at her as she was intended. Then after that, we will take a look at all the items individually and review them and see how they, you know, stand to the test of integrity toys. You know, are they up to par? And then my favorite section of my videos, the restyle, which in this video might be, you know what, you're just gonna have to wait and see. Let's go ahead and check her out, shall we? And now to take a closer look at everything that came with our Integrity Toys doll. As standard with any Integrity Toys doll, we get a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand. Now, this doll came with 3 pairs of hands. We have a glove pair, a holding pair with a manicure that matches the color of her lips, and posing hands. We also get this ring with a green colored stone inside that you can see right here. Here we have a pair of oversized squared shades. We have 1 pair of gold earrings. I call these mini hoops because of the C shape that they have. And they also have this quilted detail. I don't know if you could see right there and there. Very, very beautiful, simple earring. These shoes I would call like a high heel Mary Jane. They have this like faux brown leather effect with gold details to them to really tie in all of the beauty of the gold. And then the inside of the shoe, if you can see, is green. So it's like the shoes really have every color aspect of the outfit tie in very beautifully. We have this fabulous brown leather bag, or faux leather, honestly, with these lovely gold details on the handle, as well as some gold details on the chain. The bag is giving very Chanel, but a little bit of Gucci as well, inspiration. It does open as so, right there. We have a little nice faux button detail. The design goes all around. It's this quilted design. It's a stunning bag. Honestly, I can see myself using this a lot. Here we have the skirt, which is in a tweed material, has a fringe in the bottom, and the back has a slight opening, slight, and a slit. You can go with either one, with 3 button details on the back, and it hooks in the back for closure. Or, well, I should say it has hooks in the back for closure. That's what we should say. The top is actually a bodysuit, as you can see right here. It has a halter back detail. It closes on the top as well as in the back. And if you look closely right here, we have a little bit of thread. If you are not in love with the bow, because I feel like the bow was a big no-no for a lot of people, I think, now I haven't tried it, obviously, but I think if you remove these 2 right here, it would be an easy removal, if you see there. And then you have a beautiful item, because honestly, this color, especially for the springtime coming, I was trying to flip it off camera, I don't know what I was trying to do. It's beautiful. Like, imagine this in the spring. Ah, so pretty. Now, last but not least, of course, we have our jacket. It's in the same tweed material as the skirt. We have a faux button over here with a pocket detail that is working pocket if you would like. We have some button details on the sleeves, both sides. We have this, like, I wish I knew the name of this, because I feel like this is a particular design when it overlaps like so, giving you that effect in the front. It's very Chanel. And now I just thought of the other brand. It's very Miu Miu. That's who else it's reminding me of. Okay, now, before we get to the restyle, I have to say I was inspired to do things a little differently this time. So, instead of 1 look, you're actually going to be getting a few. So, enjoy the fashion show.